So what are we doing?
I don't know, it's your show.
Trying to figure something out here.
So she got that booty popping like it's bubble gum. Beat up on that booty like rumpa pom pom. Will not listen to your bullshit, nah. Baby grape.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Road to Pro-Am episode, I don't know. Today we're gonna be doing the fuel system on the 350Z. We're gonna be putting in a return line because I guess 350Zs come stock with no return line. You gotta get that fancy AN line and run a whole new return. It's pretty simple, especially when you have these guys help. Hey?
Oh, my ass. Oh, his ass.
Anyways, enjoy. I can't take any videos around this fucking place, man. All right, we're gonna be doing the fuel return system on the JZ today, or the 350 JZ. What's it called, Blake?
The 3JZ 350. Wasn't it the 350Z? Z?
350ZZ?
1JZZ?
350ZZ. JZZ. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna be putting the fuel return system in. It's gonna be kind of interesting. The 350Z doesn't have a return line to begin with. I'm not too sure why. It's just a Venturi pump setup, I'm pretty sure.
There's no stickers!
Because I took them out already. So this is the return line setup. So
Fucking zip ties.
this is the CJ Motorsports 350Z fuel return line conversion or something of that nature. So what it does is pretty much just plugs into the bottom of your the casing and runs a 6AN fitting out of the top, so you can run an aftermarket return line, which is pretty awesome. I had no idea that this piece even existed. Lots of research we had to do. What are you doing?
Trying to figure it out. Shut up, Dad.
Now we gotta put it all together.
Where's this piece from?
That's nothing. Let's get started.
Why, you want to put a
So now that Blake
did all the work.
did all the work, made it look good.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
So pretty much when you put the fuel pump in, obviously the clips never work, so you just cut those off and hardwire that bad boy out. What we have to do next is we gotta drill a hole somewhere on the top and run that AN fitting through. And should just about be ready to go back in the car. Boring out the hole for this, if it hopefully will fit. See that?
What's that for?
That's gonna be my return line.
Ooh.
Pretty fancy, I think.
Ooh.
We'll see what happens. I would put a bigger drill bit in it, but Blake's drill and only fits a little one. Too lazy to go inside and get my good drill, so.
You got it?
Boom.
Ooh. What's that?
Aftermarket. Now I'm gonna piss around with this.
That's relatively easy. Relatively.
Relative.
That's easy.
Put CJ Motorsports link in the description.
Who's that?
That's the people that made this very awesome kit here.
Where do you want to put them?
Where?
Where do you want to put them?
Just right here.
Right there? Okay.
Somewhere over there. Yeah. I had no idea this existed until someone on Instagram made a video on YouTube about it, putting it together, and I was like, oh, I gotta check that out. So I checked it out, and here we are. Got it. Because I don't think there's any other way.
Last story.
Oh, I'm gonna lose it!
I've been looking literally for 5 minutes for fucking size.
Why is that a 14 and the bottom's a 916?
You should have no ring or something like that.
So we have to use the Dremel to fix some of that in there so the AN line will seat properly. And JC is gonna get that done.
Can't your nose is in the fuel tank. Shut up.
What's going on?
What?
Hello. No. I'm waiting for you.
You see it?
Yeah?
What are you guys doing?
We're trying to feed the return line.
We're feeding the fuel.
Are we doing it underneath or over top?
I don't really care.
That's it.
Tips.
It's done.
What did you do there, tough guy?
Nothing.
Look at this. We ran some lines. Looks good, doesn't it?
Please get off my dick.
It's gonna work.
Yeah.
So what do we got going on over here? So JC got this fixed up. Nice and good, I hope so. That is our newly improved return line. Should we put this in?
Yeah. Let's see if it works.
It's not put together yet, dumbass.
Why?
Yeah, it needs that fucking and that filter.
Oh. Stay tuned.
But yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. Make sure you take
Done.
pictures of that shit. Or you can just use our video.
It's done.
White, black, and that's that right there, cool dog. You just throw
gonna
that
work.
little majigger thing over there.
Let's put it in. You've already huffed enough gas, you might as well huff some more.
So you probably don't have to put this back on, but we're gonna put it back on just so it's not dangling around in the tank. Cause I'm high on gasolina.
Gasoline.
Sul para gasolina.
I knew that was coming.
Me too.
So as Blake struggles for hours to get this fuel pump in, we're gonna take a look at this. Check out this. Thanks to Race Auto Sports for sending that so quickly. Now once I get my clutch bolts, we can put this together. And once Blake gets it together, we'll have the motor in the car in no time.
Well, we didn't want to say it, guys, but here's the delivery for 2020.
That's the livery. And this too. What'd you do? You got it?
Yep.
Really?
So we want it to be here.
How do you make AN lines, Blake?
You don't know how?
No, I've never done it.
Oh, fuck.
YouTube. Just kidding. No, I've done it with Jesse before.
Really?
Yeah.
You
I
should
need
got-
the little. Give me the fittings, my friend.
Gutters?
I need electrical tape and I need.
Why didn't you bolt the fuel pump in?
Because you can't do that.
So Blake finally got the fuel pump put in. Now we're going to make an AN line. How do you do this, Blake?
So when you're doing this stuff, you wanna. Sorry, I'm chewing.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Okay. So tightly wrap this with electrical tape, preferably electrical tape, because when you cut it, you don't want this stuff to spray off. That's why, just like that is. So wrap her tight. You
And then cut it with a
straight.
knife.
Ooh. Ooh, that's real braid, eh? Some real braided lines.
What do you think? It's that fake shit?
It's like plastic.
You f***ing bought it. Okay, so now you gotta go. Because it's Brayman's. Always spit on Brayman's things.
You even know what you're doing?
Yes. Oh yeah, okay, we're good.
Oh my god, and he's doing your line. So place your bets below. How long do you think it's gonna take before it leaks?
What are you doing cutting more spots?
I'm not. I'm cutting the fucking braid off.
Why?
It's too big.
Look at that.
Yeah, do that.
Done. Boom.
You have an electric?
Now we're gonna pressure test it. Hopefully it holds up.
That's gonna be ghetto. We're gonna put the two ends, put the electric tape, and see if it holds.
JC's the ghetto wire. We're gonna see what we can do here.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Oh yeah, ghetto. See, male, female.
That's female.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Oh, see? See, that's fine. It's not for long, okay?
Better than electrical tape.
Hey, you gotta think that my first plan was just put electrical tape in between both. So
Yeah,
that's a bit
not a
better
good
than
plan. Not a good plan. So how are we gonna drain this after?
That's a problem for another day, boy.
Oh, okay. So we got the pressure test done, and it doesn't look like anything leaked. So I think we're good. Yeah, JC did a ghetto job at doing that, but it did the trick. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure to tune in for plenty more to come. Make sure to also like, comment, and subscribe. And what else, Blake?
Soak up the rags, spark up the max, light up the night and I never look back. I am the hunter, you are the monster. I am the entity, I am the haunter. Fight with no water, fight with no water. Bring me the leg, I won't choke on the water. I am the author, you are the paper. Rip you